when it comes to the Chief Minister himself, who has responded to the protests on the BJP side, he claims that the protests are only being held with a political agenda.
ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸೋದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ತೋರಿಸಲೇಬಾರ್ದು.
Well, Deepak, good afternoon. It seems that the Chief Minister doesn't want the BJP protest to be highlighted at all.
Yes, he was miffed while he was asked that question about the BJP protesting over Waqf from the BPL card issue. He says that the media should not show their protests whatsoever. And while, of course, the media, some of the reporters there went on to say that it's not that they are protesting because the media is showing, but you know, it is because they are protesting that the media is eventually, of course, showing it. But right now, of course, it seems like many of the issues that seem to be putting the Congress and the Chief Minister on the back foot seems to be irking him when taken up. And we've seen him snap at the media time and again at various occasions. And this is another occasion where he is urging them that the protest should not be shown at all. Meanwhile, the BJP, of course, upping the ante. Statewide protests being held yesterday. Today in the capital of Bengaluru, where multiple leaders came together, and they're saying that this is land jihad by the Congress party, issuing notice to farmers, changes being made in the RTC records of the farmers, inclusion of Waqf there in the column 9 and column 11, I beg your pardon, and various other issues that they're taking up, along with cancellation of BPL cards, which the BJP says in many cases are genuine people who actually deserve the BPL cards, and they're being declared ineligible and being cancelled. They're saying price hike is something that has become a common thing in this government. So on various corners, of course, the BJP trying to corner the government, and the Chief Minister, of course, leading the charge, but of course getting irked that these issues are being raised as well.
Right, but how do you believe that the BJP would be raising this issue further when it comes to the upcoming winter session of Parliament as well?
Well, you can definitely see a charged up winter session of the Parliament over the Waqf issue in particular. We've seen already, the Waqf, the Joint Parliamentary Committee, becoming a bone of controversy time and again, be it the visit to Vijaypura, where you saw the chairman himself, Jagdambika Pal, making his way here. At that point in time, several opposition parties questioning why he and along with one of the members, Tejasvi Surya, were the only ones visiting Vijaypura, when it is the committee that has to go together and study various issues pertaining to Waqf, and not just in Karnataka, in other parts of the state as well. We've seen this issue, of course, becoming controversial, and while, of course, this amendment to the bill is going to be introduced, or is expected to be introduced this winter session in the Parliament in Delhi, you could expect the opposition, multiple parties, of course, to come together to vehemently oppose it, like they have in the past.
To raise their voice, as far as now they have been terming it as land jihad. We have seen those protests taking place in multiple locations in Karnataka. Let's